you ready to draw this super cute baby leopard together? Now let's draw with me. Hi my little artists. Before we begin, please click the big red subscribe button to join our little fun art family. And don't forget to like this video. And let's start. First, draw 2 big ovals for the eyes. Inside each eye, draw 2 small empty circles for the shine. Now color around the circles in black. Leave the tiny circles white. Now draw the nose and mouth. Draw a small triangle for the nose. Then connect 2 little curved lines under the nose to make the mouth. Now draw the head and ears. Draw a big curved line above the eyes for the top of the head. Now add the ears on both sides. Inside each ear, draw a curved line. Add 3 small lines inside each ear for the tail. Let's draw the face shape. Draw 2 soft curved lines down the sides of the face. Great! The face is done. Let's draw the body. Draw 2 lines down for the body. Add 2 curved shapes for the legs like this. Draw the arms. Making them symmetrical. Now add little lines to finish the paws. Awesome! Follow my lines and draw with me. Now add the tail. Draw a simple curved tail on the side. Perfect! Now add the spots. Now start adding small spots with your marker. Try to keep them almost balanced on both sides. Keep going. Leave the middle of the face and tummy empty. Keep going. You're doing great. Draw this shape to show the front of the mouth and the belly. And that's it. And last step, color it. Color your leopard using any colors you have. Look at the reference and have fun. Now you have your own cute baby leopard. Great job! I'm so proud of you.
Draw for our channel. Write your name on your drawing and send it to a bear in future videos. Draw for our channel.
See you in the next videos. I'm Little Pencil. Goodbye.